going to be profitable over the long term. You want your money to be safe. But before we do that, you need to be in the right place mentally. And Caitlin M. Hayes Esquire is here to help you to get to that right place. She's an executive coach and does this very, very consistently through a number of companies who are trying to harmonize the intellectual firepower within an organization. She will guide you in a meditation process that will clear your mind and get it to a point at which it can absorb the important complexities that you're about to face when interviewing a potential investment opportunity. So I'd now like to introduce to you Caitlin Hayes Esquire. Take it away, Caitlin.